Yeah, guys, you are welcome to this channel. Today I'll be reviewing a website called HeedYou. HeedYou is actually a page-to-click website. It's one of the biggest page-to-click websites that you can find, and they have over 80,000 members. It's actually a very unique website with they do their things with a difference. It's not like most of the other sites. So there are advertisements that you will be watching. Some of them will last for only 5 seconds. Then we have 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds advertisement that you'll be watching, and then you will get paid. If you are also an online marketer, or you are in other get paid to click websites, you can actually advertise your products here and get referrals. You can advertise your links and then you get referrals. So without much ado, let's get into the members area. So I'm now inside the members area, but remember you have to create an account, and to create an account you have to provide your user details to sign up. So I'm inside my account, and if you look at it already, I have done some advertisements. I'm promoting my links, various links, and my website. So this is it. I've also tried to earn something, and so far this is what I have earned. So let's get to view ads so that I can take you through the website. So if you check here now, these are the various ads that are available for me, and let me say that the options, the number of advertisements you get, ads you get to watch, to be paid, will vary from country to country depending on the country you are. If you are in the United States, then you can get a lot more ads to do. Perhaps Canada, India, Australia, the UK, you might have more ads. This is simply because people are targeting these areas with their ads. So that is it here. So let's just take some of these ads so that you see how it works. So after clicking, it comes, it's loading, just 5 seconds ads, and this is what happens. So you can see now we are asked a question. You should select which picture is showing downwards. So for me, I think is this one, so I select it. So my account has been credited, and that is it, guys. So you can actually do a lot more of these ads and get paid. So let's look at tax 2. Tax is that is a get paid to. So these are basically offers that you can do. Some of them are surveys, and this is actually where you can earn a lot more. Ad work, this AdSense, this is a CPA network. This is also CPA network. So if I click on it, then you will realize that we will see a lot more options on CPA offers. You see, I think I'm right. So you see here, this is a survey that one can do to get paid. Let's click on it and see. So here is telling us that okay, after completing, we will be rewarded with 630 points, which can be converted into so you see, so that is it. So there are various offers actually within this area that you can do to actually so there are videos, there are surveys, there are shopping, trials, sign-ups, etc. You can also download mobile apps to make some dollars. So you see, that is basically, if you want to earn, that is what actually you have to do. There is also a forum where members are actually sharing their stories. So there is a lot more success stories here with payment proofs, a lot of payment proofs here. So you see, one post is getting over 12,000 discussions, a lot of payment proofs here. So that is it. People are making it. You see, people come from all over the world. We have Spain, I think this should be Russian, Indonesia, etc. France, this is Arabia, so let's say the Middle East or the Arab countries. So people are actually making it here, and anybody can join. It's open to anybody and everybody all over the world. Now let's look here. Here actually, so if you check here, you can see that already I have some ads that are going on here, and one is expired already. So what I like about this website is that when you are advertising, you have some bonus points or credits that you can use. So I created an ad and I have 25,000 bonus credit to use, which I can still use to promote my business. So that is it, guys. This is HeedYou review. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and like the video. Bye.